from Chorao. It's a good day today because finally a second pontoon has arrived with a bigger crane, and possibilities of it of the ferry being lifted are very good. What I have heard from sources is that the boat will be lifted, that the pumps will be pressed into service, the engine room and the tanks will be drained of all the water, which will cause the ferry to float once again, and probably this is going to be happening tomorrow. They're just getting all the infrastructure in place, as you can see behind, and my humble request to the government is, Ferry has been very close to our heart. I really wish that the government refurbishes it, maintains it, and secures its engine once again, and it's pressed back into service, because it has a long lifespan to still get to live on the Mandevi